In terms of tech market royalty, Apple Incorporated holds the crown with a monster $2.87 trillion market cap. Apple stock has captivated investors' interest for decades. However, over the past 5 years in particular, Apple stock has returned over 400% to investors. With a rocky start to the market in 2022, Apple stock has fared relatively well, only down 4% year to date. For comparison, Microsoft is currently down 8%, while Amazon stock is down 13% for the year. Despite tougher market conditions, analysts at Morgan Stanley see Apple stock hitting $210 in 12 months, representing a 24% upside. So here's what you guys need to know about what Morgan Stanley and other analysts had to say about Apple stock in 2022. Morgan Stanley analyst Kate Haberty raised the firm's price target on Apple stock to $210 last Friday. The analyst remains upbeat on their outlook for Apple stock, reiterating Apple stock as her top pick for 2022. So the analyst's reasoning for the price lift was due to multiple reasons. Firstly, the analyst noted that Apple had a clean December quarter while also boosting their March guidance. So the analyst was particularly surprised about the Mac and services growth being particularly strong in the last quarter. Secondly, with tougher supply constraints in 2021, the analyst noted that the strong results from Q4 illustrate the strength and stability of Apple's product and services in its ecosystem. The forecast from Morgan Stanley suggests Apple has room to run in 2022, with a potential total upside of 24%. However, Morgan Stanley aren't the only analysts to pick Apple as their key stock in 2022. On the 14th of December, Wall Street analysts at JP Morgan lifted their price target on Apple stock to $210 as well. So the analysts remained bullish on Apple stock, forecasting further revenue growth as the iPhone 13 sales begin to realize and come into play in 2022. So as noted in our previous article, the analyst expects iPhone sales to reach 246 million units in 2022, with substantial upside relative to the consensus expectations from Wall Street. So what does this mean for investors? Overall, the boosted valuation from Morgan Stanley suggests Apple stock still has plenty of room to run in 2022. So both analysts mentioned in this video maintain a bullish outlook on the stock, despite the current market conditions, with Apple stock as their top pick for 2022. So in addition to the Wall Street coverage, the positive forecast on iPhone 13 sales is another positive surprise for investors, as supply constraints continue to impact the Silicon Valley companies in 2022. So iPhone 13 sales in 2022 are not the only catalyst that investors are excited about. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives expects the AR Apple glasses to debut in the second half of 2022. The analyst noted that the AR development by Apple opens up a massive market opportunity and a chance for Apple to break into the broader metaverse ecosystem. In fact, Daniel Ives sees the AR project adding $20 per share to the SOP value of Apple stock today. Lastly, Daniel Ives remains bullish on Apple stock, including the possibility of 40 million iPhones sold over the holiday period. So to conclude, from analysts and Wall Street forecasts to further upside in iPhone 13 sales and developments in Apple AR glasses in 2022, we can conclude that Wall Street is bullish on the future of Apple stock. Do you agree? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.